Hello to all of you. Myself, Meghna Sharma, will be teaching maths of grade 8, chapter 2, linear equations in one variable. Today we will do exercise 2.2, few questions. First, the sum of three consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Find the multiples. First, we have to understand the meaning of the sentence, what they are saying. The sum means the addition of three consecutive. Consecutive means in a continue multiples of 8. We don't know what are these three consecutive multiples, but their sum is 88. 888. So we have to find the three consecutive multiples. For that, we will let the three consecutive multiples of 8. 8 ke multiples we have to find out. So that's why let the first number be 8x. Second is 8 into x plus 1 and the third one is 8 into x plus 2. And according to the sum, they said the sum of all these three the sum of 8x plus 8 into 8x plus 1 plus 8 into x plus 2 is equals to 888. So what we can do, 8 is the common in all, so we can take it out from the bracket and then we will write x plus 1 plus x plus 2 is equals to 888. Now we will solve it. We will add the variables. There are 3x, so we can write 3x plus 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. So what we can do, 3x plus 3 is equals to 888. 8 is multiplying in the left hand side. When it goes to the right hand side, it will be transposing it, it will divide. So after that, we will find the value. We will solve this equation. We will find the value of the variable, that is the x. When we got the variable of x, then we will find the three consecutive multiples of 8. First one is 8 into x. So first one is 8 into 36, because here the value of the variable is 36. The first multiple is 288. The second is 8 into x plus 1. So 8 into 36 plus 1, 8 into 37 is equals to 296. And the third one is 8 into x plus 2. So 8 into 36 plus 2. 8 into 38 is equals to 304. When you want to check your answer is correct or not, you can add all the three consecutive multiples of 8, that are 288 plus 296 plus 304. The sum of all these three is equals to 888. Next, three consecutive integers. Again the word comes consecutive. I have told you in the previous slide, consecutive means continue. Three consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order. Again I am reading it. Three consecutive integers means three continue integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively. We can multiply the first by 2, second by 3 and the third one by 4. They add up to 74. It means the sum of all these three is equals to 74. Find these number. We have to find the three consecutive numbers. So let the three consecutive integers are x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. According to the question, they said when they are taken in increasing order, that's why we have taken x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. And they said multiplied by 2, 3 and 4. That's why first consecutive multiplied by 2, second by 3 and the third one by 4. The sum of all these three consecutive integers is equals to 74. First, we will solve this equation. We will find the value first. 2x plus 3 is multiplied with the whole bracket. 3x plus 3 plus 4 is multiplied with the whole bracket. First, 4 is multiplied by x, then plus 4 is multiplied by 2, that is equals to 8. We can add all the variable terms togetherly and the constant terms otherly. So you can see 3x plus 4x plus 2x is equals to 9x plus 3 plus 8, 11. So 9x plus 11 is equals to 74. That equation will come. We will find the value of the variable, that is x. That will become 7. Now the first consecutive integer is x, because the first consecutive integer we let it as x. The second one is x plus 8. That is 7 plus 1 is 8. And the third one is x plus 2. That is 7 plus 2 is equals to 9. Now when we can multiply it with the 2 first, 2 into 7, that is equals to 14. Next is 3 into 8, 8 3s are 24, and the third one is 4 9s are 36. We can add 14, 24 and 36. The sum of all these three is equals to 74. The next question is, the ages of Rahul and Haroon are in the ratio 5:7. Ages of Rahul and Haroon are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, later means baad mein, 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56. After 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56. What are their present ages? Let the Rahul age be 5x and the Haroon age will be 7x. But 4 years later, baad mein, 4 saal baad, so we will add it for the ages of Haroon and Rahul will be 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4. And the sum of togetherly, that is equals to, they said 4 years later, that it means 5x plus 4, 7x plus 4. The sum of all these 5x plus 4, 7x plus 4 is equals to 56. 5x plus 7x, that is equals to 12x. 4 plus 4 is 8. 12x plus 8 is equals to 56. Now we have to find the value of x. Whatever the variable value will come, we can put it as 5x. Rahul's age 20 years and the Haroon age will be 7 into x, that is 28 years. So we will find the present age of the Rahul and the Haroon accordingly. Next, the number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio 7:5. How many number of boys in a class? 7x. Let the number of boys will be in a class is equals to 7x and the number of girls in a class will be 5x. Now, the number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. What is the total strength of the class? The total strength of the class, how it comes? Number of girls plus number of boys. So we can let the number of boys will be 7x and the number of girls will be 5x. But according to the question, they said the number of boys. So how many are boys? 7x. 7x is equals to, will represent equals to in the equation. Number of boys 7x is equals to 8 more than number of girls. So equation will become 7x is equals to 8 plus 5x. 7x is equals to 5x plus 8. Now variable will come on one hand and the constant with other hand. So we will find the value of the variable, that is x. Now we can find the number of boys, that is 7x. 7 4s are 28 and number of girls in a class are 5 into 4, that is equals to 20. The total number of students in a class are 20 plus 28, that is equals to 48. Next question. Beching's father is 26 years younger than Beching's grandfather and 29 years older than Beching. The sum of the ages of all three is 135 years. The three generations, the sum of all these three generation ages will be 135 years. What is the age of each one of them? So let the age of the batching father will be x. The age of batching grandfather will be, father से तो बड़े ही होंगे grandfather, so that's why we will let the age of the batching grandfather will be x plus 28, and the batching age वो अपने father से छोटा होगा, so that's why x minus 29. The sum of all these three is equals to 135. We will togetherly add the variable x plus x plus x, that is 3x, and 26 minus 29, that is minus 3. 3x minus 3 is equals to 135. We will find the value of the variable through that, and age of the batching father will be x, that is 46 years. Age of batching grandfather will be x plus 26, that is 46 plus 26, that is equals to 72 years. And the age of the batching x minus 29, that is 46 minus 29 is equals to 17 years. The sum of all these three, 46, you can check your answer is correct or not according to the question. You can check also. You can add all these three ages, 46 plus 72 plus 17, that is equals to 135. When you check your answer, the sum of all these three comes 135, it means your answers are correct. If it is not, then your answer is incorrect. Next, 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is Ravi's present age? So whatever we have to find, we can let in any variable. So let the Ravi's present age will be x. 15 years later, later means baad mein. So Ravi age will be after 15 years x plus 15. According to the question, x plus 15 is equals to 4x. How? 15 years from now, Ravi age will be 4 times his present age. 4 times. 4 times his present age, so x plus 15 is equals to 4x. Now variable will come on the one hand through transposing method, and we will find the value of the x, that is the Ravi's present age, that is equals to x is equals to 5 years. Next, a rational number is such that when you multiply it by 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3 to the product, you get minus 7 upon 12. What is the number? We have to find the number. A rational number is, we have to let the rational number be. So a rational number is such that when you multiply it by 5 by 2, when we are multiplying, let the rational number be x. So according to the question, x is multiplied by 5 by 2, and then they said and add. First we have to let the rational number be x. When you multiply it by 5 by 2, we can multiply x into 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3 to the product, and then we can add plus 2 upon 3. Then they said you get or equals to will write in the form, in equation we will write equals to is equals to minus 7 upon 12. We will find it the value of x in this equation, and that is the rational number. Now here you can see 5 by 2 multiplied by x. So what it comes? 5x upon 2 plus 2 upon 3 is equals to minus 7 upon 12. Now 5x upon 2 is the only one, the variable term we can write on the left hand side, and minus 7 by 12, and 2 by 3 will be transposing to the other side, plus will become minus. So minus 7 upon 12 minus 2 upon 3. Now we will take the LCM at the right hand side of the 12 and the 13, and then we solved it the value of x. So here the rational number will be minus 1 upon 2. Therefore the rational number is minus 1 upon 2. I hope you all will understand these questions of NCERT very nicely. Thank you all of you.